Hey guys, exciting day today. I received a package from FedEx of some arcade parts that I ordered from GameRoomSolutions.com. It's a project that I started about 7-8 years ago, or at least started thinking about it 7-8 years ago. And just because of time constraints and money constraints, something I never was able to start. Started looking into it about a couple months ago and pulled the trigger a couple weeks ago and made the order. So today it showed up. I spent the last hour or so picking through the boxes, seeing what's included in the kit, kind of looking over the quality. And I got to tell you, overall, I'm pretty impressed. So I thought I'd go over what's included in the kit, what I ordered, what you can expect, and just kind of show you what came in the boxes. So what I ordered was the Bartop Arcade Kit Deluxe. And what that entails is basically just the cabinet for the arcade. It's made to sit on a bar top. You're going to get the left side panel right here. There's your right side panel. You're going to get your control panel, your bottom panel with your admin buttons and a USB hole over here. You can see these panels don't have the graphics, any graphics applied, so this is what you're going to get, melamine covered MDF. It comes standard in black. I ordered mine in white because I just felt like it went better with the graphics. But you're going to get your speaker panel, your top panel. This panel is the monitor mount bracket and mounts inside the arcade cabinet. You get your back panel, which also doubles as a door. It'll swing open and give you access to the internals of the arcade. And then you have your bottom panel right here. Also included is some plexiglass that's been pre-drilled for all your arcade buttons. So this is for the control panel and the bottom panel. Now behind there are the marquee panels, which you sandwich your marquee piece if you order it from Ryan. That gets sandwiched in between there, and then it's backlit so that it shines through the marquee. And you're also going to get a plexiglass cover for the monitor for the arcade system. So that entails what you get in the Bartop Deluxe kit. I added on to that kit and I added the graphics package, kind of like I talked about earlier. Ryan's done a great job of putting some packages together online of some past customers' artwork. I'd imagine some of the artwork's his also that he put together. So you can pick those already completed packages, have them printed out. Or Ryan's put a video on his website that goes over the usage of Photoshop and how to select images, high quality images online, and how to put them into Photoshop and layer them and come up with your own design. And that's what I ended up doing. Did a Mars Attacks theme, kind of a comic book, black and white with a little bit of color in it. So with the graphics package, you'll get, again, your left panel, right panel. You'll get your translucent marquee. You get your control panel, your bottom panel, and then I added on, this is an extra, you can get your bezel, which is kind of this artwork right here that surrounds the plexiglass that goes over your monitor. You can choose black, you can choose white, you can have it match your artwork for your arcade. That's what I ended up doing. So other than that, I added on the Guts Mega Package. And basically that's all the internals for the inside of the arcade that make it run. You get your Raspberry Pi, which is in this box here. That's the brains. You get a power supply for that. You get an amplifier, of course, for your sound, and that's going to power your two 4-inch speakers, which come with the setup. You get 3 power supplies in these boxes here. The first one is going to run your amplifier. The second one's going to run the LED strip right here that goes behind your marquee. And that's what provides the backlighting for it and makes it show up. And then your third power supply is you're going to provide your power for your arcade buttons for like the LED lighting. Also with the Guts Mega Pack, you're going to get this double USB extender. And it's actually a round port. You can kind of see it in there with two USB ports. And that is going to attach down here on the bottom of your bottom panel next to your admin buttons, and that's just going to give you some ports if you want to add USB game controllers or light gun or what have you. It's going to look like a nice professional USB port on the front there. You also get your power plug and your power switch, and that's going to mount on your back panel right here in this rectangular hole. In that same bag you get an audio cable, you get some speaker wire, and then also you get a 200 gigabyte micro SD card and the adapter for it. You get a 6-port power strip that provides power for all the components of the system, and then you get your power cord right there. And last but not least, you get 20 feet of T-molding. I chose black, but Ryan offers all sorts of different colors: red, green, blue, you know, whatever goes with the artwork package that you pick out. And the other parts that I added on were the controls for the arcade. I went with the 20 button setup. Chose the standard white LED light up buttons with the chrome trim. So you can see in the bag here, it comes with the lights, the LED lights, the button body itself. And this bag right here includes all the lock rings, the LED light sockets, and then the micro switches. So you get enough without all those for 20 buttons. Also get the 2 joysticks with that. I chose the green LED light up. Again, you know, he offers different colors, some that light up, some that don't. You can choose whatever, you know, you feel goes with your arcade the best. And the wiring that wires up the controls, all the input and output wires, the power wires for the joysticks and the buttons. You get a high-speed USB cable, and then you get the USB adapter circuit. So those are the parts that were included in the kit. One thing that I'll talk about that wasn't included in the kit is the 22-inch monitor. The system does use a standard 22-inch computer monitor, flat screen. I went with the ViewSonic I found on Amazon. If you talk to Ryan, he can suggest monitors that fit better with this system. I talked to him after the fact, and this monitor will work for this system. I ordered the one that is frameless. You can see the glass goes almost all the way to the edge. He actually recommends a ViewSonic on Amazon that has a frame around it. They'll both work. His monitor mounting bracket will work better with the other ViewSonic. It'll work with mine, but he says I might have to drill some additional holes or play with the mounting of this bracket to get the right height of the monitor in the arcade system. So overall, like I said, I'm pretty impressed with the quality of all the items in the kit. Looking forward to building this. And you know, Ryan's really done a good job of basically making this arcade building. You know, you can build it a la carte. You can choose any one item out of here and he'll sell it to you. If you just need the arcade cabinet itself, he'll sell that to you. Maybe you already have that done and you just need some electronics, controls, artwork, what have you. You can kind of pick and choose what you want to build your system. And he also, in fact, builds the system and can ship it to you turnkey ready so that you don't have to build it at all. So again, thanks for watching the video. Look forward to showing the next video of me putting this thing together, and the final video when it's all said and done, and showing you some gameplay on it.